In this video, you will see the building of a rain garden at St. Benedict's Prep, located in Newark, New Jersey. Here are some of the students that helped us in the construction of the rain garden. This is how the ground looked before the rain garden was built. This is one of the lowest spots in the school area. This is how the area looked after the students dig a hole and prepare the area for the planting.
For the big ones, you want to just loosen this up so it comes out. Go like this with the roots again. Break it up. Got some bricks here.
Yeah, right over there is really rocky. I can go back to it.
Same thing. You want the top to be even with the level of the ground. So you could just put this across like this. You see it's pretty much the same. It's a little bit too low. Just fill it in. And that's it. Backfill it in. Push down a little bit.
As you can see in this part of the video, some of the students had a lot of fun planting some native in New Jersey plants. These plants are thirsty, so eventually they will absorb all the runoff water. In this part of the video, you can see the last step of the rain garden. This last step is to spread mulch all over the rain garden. so it helps and also it makes it look prettier. But be careful with the small plants.
What's your name?
Kevin.
Okay, Kevin, I have some questions to ask you. All right, what is a rain garden?
Oh, well, a rain garden is something that it captures water, so the water doesn't go into our sewer system in the urban areas, and it doesn't put all that trash out from the urban areas into our sewers, and then from our sewers to the streams and rivers of our town and stuff. So it just like captures water and prevents it from going into the sewer systems.
My next question for you is, working in a garden a new experience for you?
Yes, it is. This is my first time working in a garden.
Okay. Why do you think that having a rain garden is important?
Well, having a rain garden helps prevent a lot of stuff. Like, it will keep our streams cleaner, our streets cleaner, keep our plants watered, and just help the environment out.
Okay. My next question is, would you recommend to the rest of the community to build a rain garden? Why?
I would recommend other people to build a rain garden because it just helps out the environment, and then like instead of like going to the stream and looking at, oh, that's dirty, you could clean it up by building a rain garden and preventing it into going to our streams in the first place.
Okay. Do you think that the neighbors' aspects changes after building a rain garden?
I think so, because if neighbors see it, they see, oh, look what they're doing, they're helping out the environment. Maybe they get involved also and maybe build one also and help out the other places that other people can't get to.
Okay. What are some ways of maintaining the rain garden?
Rain garden is easy to maintain because the water does all the work. You just have to water, like maybe just check up on it and see if it's watered and everything. But like if you haven't got rain for a while, maybe you want to go water a little bit. But that maintains itself really.
Okay, my last question for you: if someone asks you about this experience, what would you tell them?
I think this experience is great. Like, it's hard work, but it helps out the environment, you know. Experience, you'll learn a lot of stuff by doing this and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.